Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create and use Instagram groups. If you're using Instagram and you want to create and use Instagram groups, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to this chat section, and in this section you just have to tap on this create a new option and then select group chat. Now from here you just have to select the person with which you want to create a group. So let's say I'm going to select these three. Once I've selected, just enter a group name. Once you have entered the group name, just tap create chat. So just wait for its loading, and after that your group will be ready. Here you can see our group is now ready. You can tap on this invitation link to add people to your Instagram group, or you can also reset your link, or you can share your link using the share option here. You can copy your link, or you can also share it in Instagram, or you have an option of QR codes. You can also select or scan this QR code to join your group. And once you have done, you just have to simply go back from here. Now on this section, you can also send message, send your gallery option there, or you can create a video chat or an audio chat here. Here you have different options. There's stickers. You can also change themes if you want. So in this way, you can easily create and use your Instagram groups. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.